Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, please click the subscribe button and join the Money Moves family. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to be giving you the solution to the audio DQ for TranscribeMe. Okay, firstly let me just start by saying it wasn't an easy audio to transcribe. And so you really have to try your best to figure out some of the things, if not most of the things, okay? So this is the solution. I will not waste time by playing the audio and then you going through it with me. I'll just play the first 15 seconds.
Concentrating on doing things that people don't do well. And they should be concentrating on things that people do well. The examples that you gave of what people do well were things like walking and talking and very simple things like this. Whereas the examples of things that people don't do well are things like pole vaulting and perhaps...
Okay guys, so as you can hear the audio, it seems like there's a lot of tongue twisters, don't do well, do well, kind of speech. So yeah, so I did my best to give you the solution. So this is the solution. You can slow it down and pause it as and when needed, but this is it. So for those who don't know, I already have 2 videos on TranscribeMe. One is the gold standards, the other one is the Hokum archaeology, and then this one is the DQ, although I'm not sure what DQ stands for in this case. So we're just going to go to the next page and see whether I have passed or not. Again, for those who don't know, this is my second attempt. I had already attempted the exam prior to this and I failed, so this is attempt number 2. Okay, so let's see what I got. Okay guys, so I got a 91%, which means I didn't pass. For those who don't know, you need about 97% to pass. So if you want to use my solution, you can go ahead, but you have to try and figure out what the 6% is for you to get the 97%. Okay guys, good luck with your transcription test and all the best. And please do not give up. If you fail, keep trying and you never know. I'm going to attempt this exam again using another account, so you will see more videos like these in the future. So see you in the next one, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.